Okay, the first thing we do is open the hood and we'll be able to see 4 VIN tags. So the first is on the underside of the hood itself. That's vehicle identification tag number 1. The second is on top of the front bumper. And then we're going to have one on top of each fender. So the passenger fender has one, and then the driver's fender has the other. So we've already recovered 4 VIN tags. The next 2 are on each door, one inside the door jamb. The next one, I believe, is on the bottom of the door itself, the back of the door itself. So now we have 6, right? 4 in the front, 2 on the passenger side, 2 more on the driver's side. This is on the driver's door jamb, and then on the same spot on the back of the door. So now we have 8. And the last 2, one on the top of the rear bumper and one on the underside of the trunk. And that is your 10 VIN tags. Thanks for watching this video of how to get 10 VIN tags on a Honda S2000. That means all these panels are original. Typically, if this car was rear-ended, it would maybe have the trunk replaced and you wouldn't have a VIN tag, or maybe the bumper was resprayed and you didn't have a VIN tag. So that's how you know every panel is original, and you can check with a paint meter to verify that you have original paint. Remember, if the S2000 you're looking to purchase does not have all 10 VIN tags, it may have been in an accident, even if it doesn't show on the Carfax. Please like this video, please share this video, please subscribe, and please check out our website, glenscarcollection.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.